Hi. So this is our team Orange Flamingo, and this is our teammate. So our two of our group member have some difficult to attend the presentation. So only two of us here. So first, the problem that the client face. So they face a low productivity, which means they don't have enough efficiency, standardization, which means have a clearly they don't have a clearly regulation, and the safety, which means they are in an insecure environment. The part of the business was affected. So first is the research and develop department, and the second is financial department, and the last is upper management team. So proposed solution, we're gonna use a Power BI dashboard prototype, MS project planner, and guided dashboard walkthrough. So next, project plan. So estimated time frame and budget, and final time frame and budget. So the estimated time is 45 days from August 30th, 2021 to August 14th. And the estimated budget is 20,050 ringgit. However, the final estimated, the final time frame is 47 days. And from August 30 to, from August 30th to October 16th. So the final budget is 20,300 ringgit. So discrepancies. The duration increased by 2 days, and adjustment and reallocation of resources. And the budget increased by 250 ringgit, and additional tasks which cost more resources and budget to complete it. Issues caused by additional work asked by the client. So some additional work asked by client are out of scope and need more resources to complete. Also need more time. Took some additional time to complete. And we added invoice tab in the Power BI to show the latest account receivable and payable. So next, closing remark. Team's feedback. What went well? We did good in allocation of work, which is properly and fairly. And what did not go well? So lack of collaboration, communication, and participation in our team. And some group member never attend the video discussion meeting. Yeah, so and some group member rarely participate the group work, which means most of work are done by us. So, and then next is inefficiency. we still not very familiar with the MS project and Power BI, and delayed complete of work because yeah, some of our group member unable to attend the video meeting and unable to participate the group work, so caused the delayed. And conclusion recommendation. So conclusion, took some time and more resources to complete the additional work which asked by client. And we added invoice tab in our Power BI to show the latest receivable and payable. And lack of collaboration and participation within our group. And next recommendation. So we need to be more active and be more efficient, and be more, yeah. And then we need to improve our MS project and Power BI skills to be more familiar, so which also can improve the efficiency. And also we should participate more group meeting video and participate more with the group work. Guided dashboard walkthrough. So now pass to Jingyi.
Okay, I'm Jingyi, and let me share my screen. Okay, this is our Power BI project, and this one is the designing the dashboard using Power BI. The data set includes the financial calendar for the Excel bank. Other Excel files includes the Excel bank summary, Excel's invoice, and Excel PL. So the data is first exported in the Power BI that takes the Excel source data and imports in it. After importing the data, we will first develop the relationships between all the data files. So this is the summary. And the data table in this one is the additional requirements type, in which a data table is asked from us to develop, and we have developed a date-based data table. As according to the requirements file, we have divided the whole dashboard in 3 tabs, such as financial performance tab and cash movement tab. So this one is the financial performance tab. This part is for the total revenue over time. The bank summary table is joined with the date tables to calculate the total revenue over time. The date from the date table is selected, and amount from a summary table is selected, and the type is cash received. And this page is this part is for the revenue and cost over time. The revenue is cost received, and cost is the cash that is spent by the user. And then this part is for the revenue and cost over time. The values for September is now values are limited for a month and is placed cap, so that only September values for the following heading should be calculated. So this part is the gross profit and net profit. And this one is the total revenue and cost. The revenue and the cost for the month of September, which is cash received and spent, are as this. Next one is cash movement tab. Cash movement tab. So this part is the opening and closing balance over time. The analysis of for the opening and close balance from the balance summary data is determined, which takes the bank's opening and closing balance over the period of time, which selects the date from the data table. It forms this report. And this part is the cash movement over time also. So the cash movement is the cash received or spent through a variety of resources. And this part is for the amount by date and type. It is the cash receivable and payable. Then this one is the additional requirement, and this is our invoice tab. Could you go for the slides? Okay, let me stop here. Okay, this is the Malaysia calendar. Since the organization is Malaysia-based, so the Malaysian calendar is developed according to the given requirements in this assignment. So we have defined the local holidays as well as international holiday. To do that, go to project and change work time. So it displays the calendar. From there, creates a new calendar having all the local holidays. This is our Gantt chart, and it is to develop the Gantt chart for all the tasks. To do all the resources, their dependencies are predecessors. Their start and end dates is mentioned. So the Gantt chart will look like this.
So this is a network diagram. The network diagram has shown us the path that is being followed during the project and the critical paths. It has shown that the dependencies are the important part of the project, and if we break the link between the top heads of the network, then the rest of the task remains alienated and acts as different rather than being the part of the whole project. And this is our generated report. And this is a task list, and this is a resources sheet. So for task list, it will enlist all the tasks between which the project is divided. These tasks get printed individually and in the whole as a project too. For resources sheet, it enlists the total number of resources that will be employed during the project to complete the project. They will be presented in the Gantt chart with their initials and cost against each of the employee is mentioned. This will help in total cost estimation for this report. And next, future opportunities pitch. So future work and recommendations. We should improve and have a good communication with each group members and collaborate together. And we need to increase efficiency and be more familiar with MS Project and Power BI. And develop a better dashboard with better template and more specific data. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.